Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a $15 collection that I bought off someone. It's a lot of cards. Alright. Ooh, there's a bunch of sleeves and common cards. And there are some top-loaded ones, which we will be getting to later. So these are some common Japanese cards, and some of them are from 151. And there's a bunch of sleeves and holographic cards. Alright, moving on to the top loaded cards. Oh, a Japanese signature V. Ooh, a Charizard. Entei. Garchomp. Raigo. Giratina. That's a very good one. A Galarian Moltres. Ooh, a Korean Genesect V. Hisuian Electrode. Regigijas from Crown Zenith. And another Scimitar V-Star. A Origin from Palkia. Zeraora V-Star. Goldengo. Oh, another Goldengo, but English. Iron Valiant. Corporaja. Rayhan. Kricketune. Very nice artwork. Oh, and a tag team. Alright, so do let me know in the comments if this is a good or bad deal.